Good morning, students. Now we are learning in this clip that how to place those values which we have just learned, that how to convert our degrees into the seconds, or a conversion from second to minute and degrees. Now we want to see those values with the help of our natural tangent and natural sine table. So first of all, I am just putting that heading, that is called as a, we will just first of all learn that how to find it out from degrees to the values part. Let's say very first value I have right now is called sine 30 degrees and 40 minutes. Let's say second value I'm just giving you is that randomly sine 42 degrees and 61 minutes. Then third one would be sine 60 degrees and let's say 33 minutes. Then fourth one, let's say I'm just giving you sine 67 degrees and 72 minutes. Then fifth and sixth value, two more values from the tangent table. So I can have tan 46 degrees and let's say 44 minutes. And another one I'm just giving you is that tan 49 degrees and 62 minutes. So in front of you, let's say I have placed some of the values, degrees, and from that you have to just find it out those values. So before going further and finding it out such type of values, we require one natural log tables. So let's say you are habitual with the such type of a Navneet or any company's log table. First of all, we want to find it out the values of a sine. So what you have to do is that open that natural sine table, because you can find it out that we have a two type of sine. One is natural sine and another one is called as a logarithmic sine, but we are only in need of a natural sine. So first of all, we are in need of sine 30 degrees and 40 minutes. This is the value which we want to find it out. So before going further, always see that your minutes must not be higher than 60, but right now you can see is that it is in our control, it is below 60, so it is perfectly okay and ready to find it out from the log table. You can see that right now at this corner of my table I have 1 degrees. So whenever we will discuss about degrees, we will just look after this column, and whenever we will just discuss about our minutes, or you can say seconds, this is the thing, this is the row which we will be looking forward to. So I want to just find it out sine 30 degree and 40 minutes. Sorry. You can see that your all minutes are in the multiple of 6. So after 54 you can have a differences. So 54 and these differences can be added, it would be 59 minutes, and you are aware that when it is crossing that 60 minutes it would be giving you one more degree. So in a previous clip we have discussed about that. Now I want to just find it out 30 degrees and 40 minutes. So I can just see first of all degree. So I have already mentioned that it is 30 degrees, and I want to see that 40 minutes. So you can just find it out 40, but right now I don't have 40. So what I'm doing is that 36 I'm putting one mark, and on a 4 I'm putting one mark. So that is called as a 36, and then 4, it would be 40. So my minutes can be made up or some like that, and my degrees would be directly available to me. That is 30 degrees and 36 and 4 would be 40. It is same like your log table. So it will give me, you can see that 0 point, because if you just focus on such point, you can see that it is 0.5 thousand, and that would be 0.5090 and 10. So my value would be 0.5100. Next one is called as 42 degrees and 61 minutes. You can see that my minutes are more than 60. So first of all I have to convert, as per our previous clip we have discussed 43 degrees and 1 minute. So now it has been, as per our regulation, it is more than 60, so we have divided by 60, and this is how we have converted it. So now we have to see this value in the terms of 43 degree and 1 minute. So 43 degrees, so I have 43, okay. So you can see that 43 degree and 1 minute, but in our table there is no 1 minute, so we have to just go to the 0 minute and 1 minute. So we will just see that 43 degrees on a 0 it is 0.6820, and it's 1 minute is called as a 2. So 0.6820 and 2, it will give me 1 minute, so it would be 0.6822. Now I have sine 60 degree and 33 minutes. You can see there is no 33 available to me, so what I will do is that 30 take 30, and I will just add 3 mean differences to it. So sine 60 degree, so first of all in the degrees I am just having that sine 60 over here, and I want that it would be 60 at 30 degrees and 3 minutes. So I have 0.8704 and 4. So you can see that with proper notation. So in a 60 degrees line row, I have this one will call as a 30 minutes, and in this line I have a 3 minutes. So it would be 8704 and 4, and again it's a point will be 0 point, it would be 0.8708. So my value would be 0.8708. Now I have sine 67 degree and 72 minutes. Again there is a query because I have 72 minutes which is more than 60. So what I am doing is that dividing 72 by my value, it would give me that sine 68 degrees and 12 minutes. So now we will just see this value in our table, sine 68 and 12. As you can see that in this table you have those values 0, 6 and 12. It is directly available to you, so you can just go direct values 68 degrees and 12. So it would be like you can see your value is readily available to you in a 12 line. It would be 0.9285. It is 68 degree and 12 minutes. So we can just put that 0.9285. Now we have next one is called as a tan 46 degree and 44. Right now we are dealing with the natural sine. Same course we will just go and just find it out natural tangent. We have to find it out tan 46 and 44, as it is the same table, like only the change is that it's a value and it's a title. It is called dealing with the natural tangent. What we want is that tan 46 degree and 44. So what you will do is that 42 in the minute, and again it's a difference would be 4. So we want this value in a 46. So we have a table available to us, and just I'm just focusing so it would be quite clear for you. So what we want is that tan 46 and 44 minute. So in tan 46 what I'm doing is that 42 and then 2, it would be 0, 6, 1, 2 and 12. But again you can see that it contains that power is called as a 1 point. So what I have to just do is that it is called as a 1.0, 6, 1, 2 and 12. It would be 1.06 and 24. 1.0624. What you have to do is that, let's say my value is 1.0612. What I am doing is that 12. So this is the thing, whenever we have such type of differences we are just going through. Next task is that we want to find it out tan let's say we have value 49 degrees and 62 minutes. Again you are aware that it is more than 60. So what I am doing is that conversion 50 degrees and 2 minutes. Now you have to just convert and see these values. You are aware that 2 minutes is not directly available to us. So first of all what we will do is that opening this part, and 50 degrees we will just stop. Okay, we have one table, 50 degrees is okay. So for the 2 minutes what we have to do is that first of all I will take 0 minute and then will add 2 into that. I have a 1918, and then difference would be again 2. So I can have now 2 minutes. So my task is ready, 50 degree and 2 minutes. So for 0 and 2, 1050 degrees, I am just going this value 1.1918 and 14 would be added. So like 1.1918 and 14 would be added. So my value would be 1.1932. This is the value which I was looking forward of 10, 14 and 62 minutes, or after conversion it is called as a 1050 degrees and 2 minutes. So you are now after this clip aware about how to see those values directly from degree to value. And after previous clip you are also aware that okay, whenever your values of minutes and seconds are more than 60, what process you have to follow through. Okay, so next clip we will just go and find it out from the value to degree. Thank you.